In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a clothing website on Wix. To get started, open Wix in your browser. If you do not already have an account, go ahead and sign up first. Once you're inside Wix, click Create New Site. From there, choose the Wix Editor option. If an AI chat or setup assistant appears, simply skip it so you can build the site manually. Next, select the type of website that best fits your store, such as online store or clothing store and boutique. This helps Wix prepare the right tools and layout options for your project. After that, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is the control center for your website, where you can manage design, content, settings, and store features. From here, click Design Site. That will open the template panel, where you can browse Wix fashion and clothing templates. Take a moment to choose a design that matches your brand style and the overall look you want for your store. Once you find one you like, click Edit to open the site editor. Inside the editor, go to the left-hand side and click CMS. Then choose Add to Site. After that, click Add Preset and select Custom Item List. Then click Add to Site again. This gives you a structured way to display your clothing products in a clean and organized list. Once the custom item list is added, a product list dashboard will open here. Click Add Item. This is where you will enter the details for each product. Add the title for the item. Fill in the relevant information, and upload an image so shoppers can clearly see what you're offering. When you're done, click Save. Repeat the same process to add all of your clothing items. As you do this, try to keep your titles clear and your images high quality, since that can make a big difference in how professional your store looks. When your products are in place, move on to payment and shipping. Go back to your dashboard, click Settings, and open Accept Payments. Here, you can connect a payment gateway such as PayPal or Stripe so customers can complete purchases securely. Then define your shipping zones and set your tax rules so orders are processed correctly based on location. Finally, preview your website and test everything carefully. Make sure to check the mobile layout as well, since many customers will shop from their phones. Once you're happy with the design and functionality, click Publish to launch your clothing website. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.